Hello, my mommies. It's your girl, Davita Catherine, coming back to you with another video. I know it's been a week that I have not uploaded. I've just been so busy. It's April now, and I've been preparing for my daughter's party, but also with April comes Palm Sunday and Resurrection Sunday. So I am back with you with another wreath tutorial on how to make a wreath for Resurrection Sunday. It is so important to me to celebrate Resurrection Sunday. I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe that he died for our sins, and I believe in his resurrection. So if that is something that you believe in, and if that is something that you are interested in seeing, please stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, guys, so starting out with the material things that we are, going to need. Of course, we're going to need our scissors. We're going to need our pipe cleaners or Chanel stems that like everyone calls, other people call them. Now, I didn't have enough white, so I have a mix between white and silver, but they'll still both look pretty. And we are going to need white mesh. I purchased these rolls of mesh from Michaels. They were on sale. They were 50% off, so I did buy a couple of them that I had on hand that were 50% off. But you can also purchase white from Dollar Tree. So if you're doing this wreath ring, it's going to be in the shape of a cross. I would say that you would need about 10 to 12 rolls from Dollar Tree. But with these are a little bit thicker, so I only have 3, so I'm going to hope and pray that the 3 that I have are enough. I already have one whole roll cut. And I'm also going to be using from Dollar Tree this cross wreath ring form. I'm just going to cut this tag off. And I'm going to show you guys how I roll. Even though I show you in every wreath tutorial that I do want to show you again because I still do get questions. So I'm just going to take this with the folding side going in, and I'm just going to roll it just like this, and I'm going to stick it between my fingers. So I'm going to do a set of 4. You can do, depending on how many colors you're using and how many you're doing, you can do between 3 or 4. So, and I always get asked about using the mesh from Dollar Tree. It doesn't matter how expensive your mesh is and what brand you use. Mesh is always going to shed. That is just what it does. And, why pay, if you don't need as many rolls, I would rather pay $12 for 12 rolls than to pay about $40 for 3. So because, well, $30 for 3 only. And I say that because at Michael's they are $9.99 a roll if they're not on sale. And if you're buying more than one and they have a 50% coupon, you can only use that coupon on one item. So just be aware of that. Okay, so this is what you are going to get. And I'm going to show you it as well with the silver, why I say that if you can't find white Chanel stems or pipe cleaners, whatever it is that you want to call it, why it's okay, because it turns out the same. The silver goes with like the iridescent on the underneath, and you hear my daughters, they're watching cartoons in their room. So this is what they do. They argue back and forth. So I'm just going to show you really quickly. So I'm going to take it, and you see how pretty that is together. I'm going to put it right in the middle. I'm going to pull tight, and I'm just going to twist. And I'm just going to straighten it out, fluff it out. And that's what it looks like. Same difference, still looks pretty. The silver still goes with it. And then once they're bundled on top of each other, you won't be able to see it. So I'll be back and I'll show you guys how to put it onto the wreath ring roll. Noticing that I said wreath ring wrong, whatever it was. But okay, so this is my wreath ring form. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cluster that I have created and I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to start right here. And basically what I am going to do is just wrap it around both of the bars in the middle. And it's going to look just like this in the back. And I'm just going to take it and I'm going to twist. Just so it'll stay in place. And then what I will do is, like I always do with any other one, I take the excess. I'll take the excess and then I'll just wrap it around for neatness. Okay, and then that's what you are going to get. And then I'm going to do that throughout the whole thing, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so I'm back really quick. I just wanted to show you the update on what the top of it looks like. So this is the top filled in, and this took a half of a roll. So I just want to let you know that. And then I wanted to show you guys how I am going to do the cross. So yeah, so I'm gonna start from this way and I'm gonna go like this. So you see how if you look at this, this is going down. So I have everything faced this way. This is what the back looks like. Okay, so with this one, I'm gonna take my cluster and I'm gonna wrap it around these two bars. These two middle bars, I should say. And it's gonna be facing this way. And I'm just gonna do it like normal, and I'm gonna twist the back as tight as possible, just so that it stays in place. And then I don't know if you guys can see it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap it around. So it's going to wrap around just like this. And excuse my nails, because I know my nails need to be done. So it's going to look just like this. So I'm going to continue that all the way across, and then I'm going to finish the bottom, and then I'll be back with the finished product. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I absolutely love it. You hit my door. I'm gonna add like a mesh here to indicate his garment, to go across it, and I feel like it will define it a lot more. But I absolutely love the way it came out. If you guys love this video, if you guys like this wreath, please, please, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel to see more. Love you guys. Bye.